So we think of insomnia as a problem that adults battle, but doctors say this is actually becoming more common in kids too.
Yeah, parents may already be noticing things like grades suffering as a result. Snow Helena Graf is live right now. There's a common culprit, Nohe, and we can guess this one. It's all those tablets and phones, right?
Right. And here's the thing, Dan. Of course, we all know we're so dependent on technology, right? But doctors say, checking that phone, that tablet before bed actually triggers the portion of your brain that affects vision. So kids aren't falling asleep, just like adults. The difference with kids, though, is not enough sleep is resulting in behavioral and attention problems. The grades start to slip. You can spot the signs, though, if they're not getting a good night's sleep. Check on them while they're sleeping. Noisy breathing, respiratory pauses. Are they restless? Do they have difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep? Also, here's an interesting one. If they have an itchy nose, if they sneeze a lot, maybe they're a nose picker, they've got puffy eyes, that's the sign of another issue that's keeping them from getting a good night's rest.
We thought 20, 30 years ago that lack of sleep or sleep disturbances will cause the puffy eyes. We actually know the puffy eyes are allergic shiners, and that is the opposite relation. It is the allergic shiners that cause the sleep disturbances.
So some fixes, of course, get them treated for allergies, limit that screen time before bed. Also, doctors say develop a better bedtime routine, like showering in dim light, reading a real book before bed. That way it all signals the brain that it's about time to go to sleep. Also, more exercise. And high schoolers in particular, you might want to talk to your doctor about prescribing melatonin because their hormones are actually turning them into night owls. Here's another issue that we're going to talk about new in our next half hour. Doctors say changing what time school starts could make a difference, and it could have an impact on all of us. I'm live in Phoenix. Nohe Graf, ABC 15, Arizona.